The 2013 GTR. The Nissan GTR is truly a supercar. This model comes with a lot of horsepower and it is massive in strength and highly refined, taking the GTR beyond power, beyond performance, and beyond expectations, and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, all-wheel drive, XM satellite radio, HomeLink garage door opener, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, side airbag, intermittent wipers, door pockets, remote trunk release, emergency trunk release. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.